guys, Backpack Biker here. I just want to do a quick video today on the GoPro Hero 8 using the older version of the mic adapter. The mic adapter that was meant for the 5, 6, and 7. I wanted to show that this could be used on the GoPro Hero 8. I just did a video on the medium mod with the GoPro Hero 8 and the Purple Panda microphone. I'll leave a link in the description down below if that's something that you might be interested in seeing. But as far as this goes, yeah, I mean, we certainly could use it. The issue that we're running into, though, is with the new GoPro Hero 8, the side door, when you open up the side door, this is where the USB-C port is, and also this is where the battery is. So you can just plug this in here, like you would in any other cameras. You plug it in and turn it on, and it's going to work. The issue that we're running into, though, is this door won't close, right? So if you're doing any kind of action sport or really anything, eventually you're going to wind up tapping this door, and it's going to very easily fall off. You're going to lose the door. So even if you took this door and you left it at home and said, oh, I'm just not going to bring the door, I don't want to lose it. Any movement of this camera eventually will just slightly shift that battery. Once that battery moves, you're going to lose connection to the camera. There goes your video. So the whole thing was kind of pointless. So that being said, I looked online and found this on Amazon. What it is, it's an aluminum door. It's pretty much identical to the stock door. The only difference is that it has a cutout on the bottom that's meant for that mic adapter. So what you could do is install this door. It's pretty much the same way as you install the other door, easy enough. Definitely wouldn't be waterproof though, so you couldn't just pull off that mic adapter and jump in your pool of the water, so definitely wouldn't be waterproof anymore. But it does have the rubber ground on the inside that will hold that battery firm, and now you have the cutout for this mic adapter. So you can mount it any way you did on the older versions, on the 5, 6, or 7. If you zip tie it to the side, to the bottom of the mount on your helmet or whatever it is that you did, nothing will change. So you could use this. This is another option. It also actually came with this lens cap here with a little suction cup on the inside. I thought that was pretty cool. So for 15 or 17, whatever it is, dollar value, it was definitely a good option. So if you can't get your hands on that, on this media mod, or you don't want to get your hands on the media mod and you want to use what you have, so for an extra 15 or 17 bucks, you're still in the game. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll leave all the links in the description down below. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. God bless and ride safe.